Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to use HeyGen. It's an AI tool for video creation. Open HeyGen and you have to sign it with Google account. If you have to sign for the trial account, which I did, it will show up with the watermark in the videos. Prompt is very important. So you have to give a better prompt that AI can understand. I uploaded this prompt and I asked to generate the features of HeyGen that I can really showcase on YouTube. And this is what it did. It was really great experimenting this. Hope you will enjoy it.
Welcome. Today, let's explore how HeyGen is revolutionizing video creation with powerful AI tools that anyone can use. First, choose from hundreds of photorealistic AI avatars. They look, move, and speak just like real people. Got a photo? HeyGen can bring it to life. Transform any still image into a talking avatar in seconds. Break language barriers with support for over 40 languages and accents. Your content can now reach a global audience. Enhance your stories with stunning motion graphics and design elements, all available right within the platform. No editing skills? No problem. HeyGen's intuitive interface makes professional video production as easy as typing a script. Ready to create? Visit heygen.com today and start your journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tips.
So guys, if you like my video and if you like my experience, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel.